Good afternoon, everyone. So our question for our math project is, what is a better predictor of GPA, reading or watching TV? Hello, my name is Alyssa Reese, and the reason why I wanted to do this project is because I'm still trying to figure out a career choice, and I wanted to try out like something new to learn because maybe I'll like it and then like I want to pursue it. So statistics is something like I've been introduced to in Algebra 2, but never gone like fully in depth. So I wanted to try it with a little like survey, you know, and find out numbers and regression lines and the correlation thing for that. Yeah, that's pretty much why I wanted to do it. I just wanted to try a new math to see if I'd like it, and newsflash, it's alright. I don't think I'd want to do it for a living, but it's okay. I'm here with
Adolfo Maldonado.
Adolfo, why did you choose this question?
I chose this question because the other questions didn't seem hard enough to do, and besides, I like surveys, and I wanted like above average question to do my project with, not my project, our project with. And every time when I see a survey, I always want to do it because it seems like fun, because I love the random questions they give us, such as like, what's your favorite color? I always pick blue. What's my age? Or not. So yeah, we find the mean by adding all the numbers together, then divided by how many numbers they are. Standard deviation equals to the square root of amount of the numbers minus the mean of x divided by the amount of numbers they are minus 1. Correlation coefficient equals to 1 divided by the amount of numbers they are minus 1 times the amount of numbers they are in x and y minus the mean of x and y divided by their standard deviation.
By using the formulas we had earlier, we found, for the reading, we found the mean, the standard deviation, and the correlation coefficient. And we also found the correlation coefficient from watching TV. And we found out that reading is a better predictor of GPA because its correlation coefficient is bigger. Now, all we need to do is prove that. So we can prove that by finding the regression line. This is the regression line that goes between the points to help us predict like where it would be. And to find that, we need to find M and B. And to find M, we use the correlation coefficient that we had earlier. We plug it into here and we multiply it by the standard deviation of Y, which I'll show you in a second, and the standard deviation of X, which we already have right here. So we have the mean of our GPA here and the standard deviation here. And now we're going to use this formula that I mentioned to find it. So it's going to be M, and this is for reading, equals 0.147 times 0.712 divided by 4.271, and this is gonna give us, we're gonna put it into our magically deadly calculator, and it's gonna be 0.024. So now we have our M. So now we can erase this and put our M. And to find our B, it's just the mean of Y over M times the mean of X. So that'd be B equals 3.521 over 0.024 times 3.693. And we used our calculator for this because I can't do math in my head that well. And for B, it gives us 3.439. And I'll try to insert a clip of our regression line. And we did right here. If I can't, I'll put like a video of me in there showing it. It's future Alyssa, past to you in the studio. So it turns out I don't know how to edit pictures into the video because, I don't know, iMovie kind of sucks, but that's like all I got. So I'm just going to show you the graph. Squiddly doodly doo. Here it is for reading. And here's a regression line that goes through the points. Well, I mean, not through the points, but like, you know what I mean. For watching TV, and you should get the line for that. Now try to insert it here, right here. Finish. You already know the whole deal with my editing skills. Squid up. This is a regression line for watching. So let's say Violet reads about 3 hours a week and she watches 0 hours of television. Like, she doesn't watch TV at all. And we find out that her GPA is 3.5. And we can use this to find out, to show you why we're going to use reading. So we would plug in 0.024, or just plug in for y. We will plug in 3, and that's going to get us 3.511. And then we go to our watching, and we'll plug in 0 because she doesn't watch TV at all. And that will give us 3.521. So we can just subtract 35 by both to see which one's closer. And this one would give us 0.011 and 0.21. No, yes, 0.21. So we can tell by that this one's smaller, so that's why we know why reading is a better predictor. And that's it.